Now we start the recording and we can start. Okay. Now you can see that we are going to do the revolt of 1857 and the main centers of revolt of 1857. So the first center, number 1, as you can see here, with you can see here all the points. So first of all, mark Delhi. Delhi. As I showed you how to draw the lines, how to find out Delhi. So first of all, point out Delhi. Done? So Delhi will be number 1. After that, done, Oshmita? Can you see the map? Whenever you will not be able to see the map, please tell me, okay? Okay, after Delhi, just go a little bit northeast of Delhi, then mark Meerut. Then mark Meerut. Meerut done. After Meerut, then mark Lucknow. Then mark Lucknow. It's in UP, middle of UP. After UP, Lucknow, then mark eastern UP, Azamgarh. Azamgarh. From where the Azamgarh proclamation was written. Azamgarh. Done. Azamgarh. After Azamgarh, then just south of Lucknow, this is Kanpur. South of Lucknow and in the state of UP, it's Kanpur. Then come to West Bengal, and then point Calcutta. Come to West Bengal and then point Calcutta. After that, done. Mahisha Jibonangshu, Oshmita. Okay. Next is go to Madhya Pradesh. Go to that portion where Madhya Pradesh is touching the borders with UP, north of Madhya Pradesh. Then Jhansi. Then Jhansi. Okay. Done. Now the whole Lucknow region, Kanpur, whole Lucknow region, the place like it is like starting from this border, taking Lucknow, then up to this. This is known as the Awadh region. Okay, this is the Awadh region. The whole region is the Awadh. Lucknow and all. This is the Awadh region. Done? Now you have to write the statement of each and every point. So first point was Delhi, number 1. Delhi was number 1. So write for Delhi. Delhi was the center of the revolt. Delhi was the center of the revolt. Done. Next is Meerut. Meerut, number 2. Right. On 10th May 1857, the revolt started at Meerut. Done. Then number 3 is Lucknow. Number 3 is Lucknow. From Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal. From Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal and Birjis Qadir fought against the Britishers. From Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal and Birjis Qadir fought against Britishers. Number 4 is Azamgarh. Azamgarh, right? The rebel soldiers wrote a proclamation. The rebel soldiers wrote a proclamation from Azamgarh. Done. 5 is Kanpur. Right. From Kanpur, Tatia Tope fought against the Britishers. Next, Calcutta was 6. So Calcutta on 29 March 1857, March 1857, Mangal Pandey started the revolt and was sentenced to death. Done. Next, Jhansi was last, point number 7. So Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai fought against the Britishers. Done. Complete. Any questions? Doubts? No. Fine. Today Bharat is present. Bharat? Fine. So I end the class here. Tomorrow we will continue with the question answers from chapter Bhakti and Sufi. So, goodbye.